Hey everyone, Matt King with the Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. It's just a simple search, Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're out here with the final update on our project in Independence, Missouri, and if you remember, this is our 4-step complete foundation repair, where the 4 different steps are straightening the walls, bracing it, piering it, and epoxy injection, polyurethane, sealing the cracks. So again, just a quick overview. First step, we excavated on the outside of this foundation wall to relieve that pressure. Came in here with our angle iron 6x6 treated wood support posts and 30-ton bottle jacks. As you saw in our earlier video this week, tilted the wall back to vertical. Then we installed these 7, 5 in this room, 2 in the other, 7 steel H-beam wall braces to make sure that the wall remains vertical. And as you know, we saw cut the concrete floor neatly to get that bottom end of the brace set right on top of the footing, mortar it in with our high-strength concrete mortar mix, and then we tie the upper ends into the floor joists. So one thing I want to point out, if you guys go back and look at the video we started of our Project and Lease Summit on Tuesday, they had some pre-existing beams that were attached by whoever did it, bolting their plates into that narrow end of the floor joist, and when that happens, it causes that wood to split. We don't do it that way. We do an engineering sound, so we bolt everything from the side to make sure that these floor joists are as structurally secure as they possibly can be. So that was step 2. Step 3, we were already at the footing on the outside, so we just dug our 6 king pier holes underneath the footing. We had a king pier 1 in each corner, so those holes were 49 inches deep below the footing. Then we had 4 in between king pier 2, so those holes were 13 inches below the footing. So we got everything piered up yesterday. Concrete to encase the piers was out yesterday afternoon, and now we're on the backfill stage right now. And then step 4, the final part of this project, was getting all of the cracks sealed on the foundation walls, and then polyurethane for the saw cut seams where the wall braces were, where we saw cut the floor, that seam where the wall and the floor meet. Also got these holes where we had our angle iron temporarily installed, so those are all taken care of. A lot of these cracks, luckily enough, were wide enough that we did not have to do the traditional step of drilling holes in the crack to be able to fit our ports to then do the epoxy injection. We were able to stick that nozzle straight into the cracks for all of them that required injection, that weren't just really small hairline cracks in the rest of the basement. So that really sped things up there, and we were able to do a final coat of polyurethane over the top, also in the corners here. So everything is looking very nice now. This basement is watertight. It is as structurally sound as it can be now that we have all of our H-beams in place, keeping the wall vertical, the piers underneath the footing, bringing that footing back to its correct level elevation. Everything is looking as nice and neat as it possibly can be. So again, for all your foundation piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just a simple search, Piers LLC. Thank you.